came out real pretty. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be installing this 26-inch body wave hair that is from Unice. I did curl this hair and I did use this hair before, so this hair is basically pre-plucked. I did pluck the hair, so I'm going ahead and I'm going to apply it to my head and then install it using the end of my actual stockings that I wear. I think this is much thinner and I think it works better with the ball cap method. That's the reason I'm using this. Okay, as y'all can see, it's really thin, and I think I could work with it better. And you could basically stretch it as much as you want. Now I'm going in with tying this. And then of course we're gonna cut off the excess stocking, just like so. And then okay, now it's time to melt everything in, and I'll be using this Ebon glue. Y'all, I don't know why this glue being coming out so messy. For the past couple times I've used it, but it's a really good glue that I highly recommend. Now we going in. Okay, now it's time to apply the cap, and I'll be applying it directly where I want it to be. That's perfect right there. As y'all can see, I'm going for a side part look. So just to check the placement, everything looks good from this angle. Okay, I did apply another layer of glue. Now I'm going in with the Ebon spray. And now I'm gonna okay, so time to place the wig exactly where you want it to be and put it on. Okay, now that the wig is on, you just basically want to section out your leave outs from your actual hair section, and I'm just leaving out like, okay, just gonna leave this piece right here out. Maybe. Baby, don't get it twisted. You just another nigga on the hit list. So basically just sectioning out and making sure everything is looking neat and nice, however you desire it to look. Okay, so basically I want this. Oh, my weave left there. I want this and this out. Now I'm going to tie this all down using this. Okay y'all, so right now I'm gonna let this stocking like sit right here, just because this is gonna allow like everything to dry and steepen. And in the mean and between time, what I'm gonna do, I am going to curl this hair and brushing this up. So, that's basically clearing it all out now. Okay, now I'm gonna use the Smooth Care Olive Oil Mousse to smooth the top. I'm going in with my hot comb and just basically I'm going to use this Bio Silk. I'm going to use a tiny bit, rub it all together. I'm going to run it through my hair. Now it's time to start curling. The sections are going to be like this big. The way that I'm going to curl this hair is backwards, starting from there, swirling it around. And I'm gonna just curl and continue to curl the rest of my hair in the same motion, the exact same way, that wave curl motion. I don't want really tight curls. That's what I'm gonna do with the rest of my hair. Removing this. And that looks perfect to me. Y'all know your girl loves some baby hair. I'm not gonna do a whole bunch of baby hair today. Okay, so what I did was I put the mousse in that section. You just want to play with it until you get the desired look that you're going for. My hair came out real pretty, looking real pretty. I think I did a good job, y'all. What y'all think? I love the natural dry to mid shiny type of look. So that's the reason why I didn't go ahead and apply a whole bunch of oil sheen on my hair, because that's not my thing. Anywho, I'm gonna get dressed and touch base.